Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an unboxing of the Soul Seeker Tarot. It's a Lo Scarabeo deck. Throwing the box everywhere, sorry. It is actually one that is just a little bit of me. I do enjoy these decks, so I'm going to try and not be too biased as I go through it, but basically it comes in this standard box here. It's by Mirko Andreoli and Charles Harrington. Okay, so there it is, the box. You get this little booklet that comes with, that's the title card, a little booklet that comes with it. Excuse me, sorry. Now they're always multilingual when we have Lo Scarabeo, so the English is at the front in this one. And you have each of the meanings of the cards, and it will be reversal meanings as well. So you've got everything you need there to quickly refer. And at the front you've got some spreads, the stock standard 3-card spread. So let's have a look at the premise. Just as the fool steps off that cliff and into the unknown realms of the arcana, so too must you make your strange and winding journey through life. Let this deck be your guide. While tarot began its journey as a simple playing card game, occultists, writers, mystics and artists have long recognized it as a powerful tool for spiritual reflection and transformation. These 78 cards have been designed to support your own spiritual quest. Their mysterious and compelling artwork reflects the unexpected twists and turns your soul will take on its path. So how to use it? So you've got the different moments there for the cards. So, right, your experience with the tarot will be a deeply personal one, and this guidebook can give a few simple pointers to get you started in the right direction. You've got the Soul Seeker, Divination and Reverse. So on every single card you'll have the Soul Seeker, the Divination and the Reverse. Do you see? Sorry, I pulled it too far away. It was very naughty of me, sorry. So there we go. Okay, so that's that. Let's have a look at these cards. I love the quality of this deck and the feel of it. It's a really good tarot deck to handle. Yeah, no complaints from me. And I love the fact that they're borderless. So that's a win-win for me. Some people enjoy them, but they feel really good to move through the hands. Nice quality. A typical Lo Scarabeo deck, really. So here are the images. I think he's made slightly more of the important symbols, although he does usually carry a white rose and wear a red feather, but I'm sure there's a reason for that. And it will probably say in the book. So I'm just going to take you through these. If you want to speed me up, then you can. If you want to slow me down, then you can. It's just in the settings. So we're Rider-Waite deck, isn't it, really? Just an improvisation of the traditional and original. Gorgeous. Oh, let me know what you think. I really enjoy these because they make so much of the actual. You can really intuitively read these cards. And I love the fact that they're Rider-Waite as well, because it's just a question of, you know, the symbols, you know the card, you recognize it immediately, and you can just go for a different variation of the style. The path towards enlightenment, you see. Now, interestingly, he's about to take it there as opposed to actually on his path. Look how pleased he is with himself. You've got the court cards, Page, Knight, Queen and King. Then we're into the Pentacles. I can see him saying, hey, look, we can, this is fantastic work. We can make something with this. Lovely. They give you a true sense of the card. I wasn't going to gush, was I? Sorry. Okay, then you've got the Wands. And the court cards, and we have the Swords. So she has her shield there. You see the strength is within. Sleeping Beauty. What a wonderful way to express that card. Okay, so then you have all of the cards there. So that's the title card that just comes with the deck. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I've not seen anything quite like it, actually. Have you? Anything similar to this? Anyway, so that is the Soul Seeker Tarot. It's a Lo Scarabeo deck, and it is by, I can't remember the names now, so sorry. Mirko Andreoli, which it's probably because I can't say it, and Charles Harrington. Lovely deck. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for your time. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye-bye.